Why did you first come in, Deirdre?
Well, I came in because I felt just not all together. My back was sore, my feet were numb,
You mentioned sinuses.
and my sinuses, I had really bad sinuses. I mean, I had to go to the hospital for my sinuses because they were really bad. And since then, geez, I've been coming here now for 3 years and no longer than that, eh?
Wow.
And I don't have any sinus problems at all.
And your feet, you said too.
And my feet are not numb.
It's beautiful.
And it's just, I don't know. I mean, I come out of here after my session and I feel so light. I feel like, I could jump up and down. I feel invigorated. I feel rejuvenated. I feel, it's really wonderful. I just tell everybody it's
You'd say change in energy was one of the biggest
the biggest change.
changes for you?
Yeah, it's just amazing. And my back feels better. I don't know, I just feel lighter all over. I feel really great.
Awesome. How old are you, Deirdre?
Oh, at least 100.
100.
No, I'm going to be turning 73.
Awesome.
Yeah, 73. But I feel really young, I can run and I can do all sorts of things. Yeah. Good. It's good. I recommend it to anybody.